Hi guys, this is April's monthly chapter 6, keeping track of your money, mid-level. Keisha thinks about what she needs to buy. She wants to make a budget. Keisha asks her mother for help. Budgets are always a good thing. That way you pay your important bills first and then you know how much money you have to spend afterwards. Keisha and her mother sit down. They work on a budget. A budget will help Keisha reach her goal. A budget shows how much money you earn. Keisha earns $190 every other Friday. Keisha puts $190 on her budget. A budget shows how much money you spend. Keisha will buy clothes and lunch. She writes these things down. So she has her income, then she has what she wants to spend things on, and then she has what she wants to put in savings. Now Keisha must make choices. Keisha will save $150 for an apartment. She will have $40 left. So she's automatically putting the $150 here in the apartment, and she has $40 left. Keisha must make more choices. She wants to buy lunch 6 times. She will not have enough money. This is not a good choice. Keisha chooses to buy lunch 1 time. So she knew she wasn't going to have enough money to go spend $50 on lunches, so she chose just 1 lunch. Keisha is done with her budget. She will save money. Keisha can buy some fun things. Keisha will make good choices with her money. You can do it, Keisha. You have a plan for the future. Keisha smiles. She's going to work hard to reach her goal. So that was the end of chapter 6. Keisha's making a budget. She's working. She has a good attitude. So she will probably reach her goal of that apartment. Log into the module and see what your assignment is. Have a great day, you guys.